Did you know that sweet potato noodles can provide a nutritious alternative to traditional pasta? Packed with vitamins A and C, fiber, and antioxidants, they boost your immune system and improve digestion, making them a fantastic choice for a healthy meal. Try this easy recipe today to unleash their power. First, spiralize one medium sweet potato to create those delightful noodles. If you don't have a spiralizer, simply use a vegetable peeler to create thin ribbons that mimic the texture of pasta. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a pan over medium heat, then toss in your sweet potato noodles. Sauté for about 5 minutes until they soften slightly and take on a beautiful golden hue. For added flavor, mix in minced garlic and a sprinkle of salt, allowing the aroma to fill your kitchen. Imagine a vibrant dish that not only looks appetizing, but keeps you full for hours. Top it off with your favorite sauce, like a light pesto or a homemade tomato sauce, and some cherry tomatoes for an extra burst of flavor and color. This dish is not just fun to make, but offers a satisfying texture and a sweet taste that will excite your palate. Would you try this? Share your thoughts or your own healthy twists on sweet potato noodles.